Hello, my crafty friends. It is finale time. The July 2021 sheet load of card sketch. We are almost done. I put together 3 and we're going to finish the rest. Now, one just kind of disappeared off the planet. I can't find it anywhere. So we have 11. And I decided instead of putting stickers on the inside, I'm going to just stamp with this little piece of sea greenery, kelp, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be brown. So let's get started. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and stamp in the inside on this one, on the ones that I've got attached already. There we go. And I will be putting Nuvo drops on the outside, as usual. I have this extra just to make sure. Okay. Let's go ahead and stamp the insides of these before I attach them. As small as this desk is, you wouldn't think I could lose something, but oh my goodness. Never fails. What do they say about small spaces are harder to keep clean? Oh yeah. Okay. The insides are stamped. Now we're going to attach. Now these didn't turn out real well, but they're going to be hidden anyway. Right in the middle, like so. Yeah, I knew that was going to go, so. Okay. Boom, boom. Get her done. And I have envelopes over to the side. I did splurge and buy my envelopes from envelope.com. I got like 50 of them. So, yeah. We're not cheap. Why do I keep wanting to do that? Okay, I've got several colors of Nuvo drops here. So I'll probably, what am I doing? All right, so those are done. Put those over there, and I've got 2 more. All right. Okay. Ugh. I hate how this goes to sleep on me. Okay. Just under 4 minutes. Okay. So since we have the inside stamped, I'm going to go ahead and put on Nuvo drops. Okay. And this one, Emerald City, is more closely matches the Tranquil Tide, so we'll use that. And I'll cover up that little spot, maybe. Note to self, check to see if they are going to run halfway decent before you get on camera. Nope, it's not going to work. All right. I also have Dragon Scales and Sea Breeze. Let's do the Dragon Scales. Or we also have Neptune, or I can mix and match here. Okay. These are my newer ones. And this one's sparkly too. Nice. I think that matches pretty well, don't you? They both do. So that's good. We will mix and match. This one got a little smudged. Put one over here. Yeah. Try not to mess them up. Oh, and this one got smudged too. I don't know how that happened. Let's try my Tombow Mono eraser if I can get to it. Oh, we got 1 minute. Okay. That's decent. All right, let's 1, 2, 3, like that. Put them way out of the way so I cannot in any way, shape, or form ruin them. Oh, there we go. Okay, stop the timer. And this is as far as we got with the drops. Okay, this one is Neptune. It's a little bit of darker and it's shiny. Or we have the Dragon Scales, which is lighter and also shiny. So tell me down in the comments which one you like better, Dragon Scales or Neptune. All right. So I did get several totally decorated. And I'm also going to use the all-over stamp that I used for the card bases. I'm gonna do one on the envelopes on the side. Let me show you real quick. Okay. Using my Tranquil Tide. Okay, just on one side of the envelope. Like so. And then there's our envelopes. Okay. So here's the 6 that I got done. I will go ahead and decorate the rest off camera. I hope you enjoyed this set of cards. They are unique. It's a mini fun fold slim card. I hope to see you back soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.